How much can Google learn from a single photo? Explore the fascinating and potentially concerning world of AI-driven image analysis. This presentation delves into theyseeyourphotos.com, a website that reveals the surprising amount of information Google's AI can extract from a single photograph. I'm Huey Poplock. Unveiling theyseeyourphotos.com. Groundbreaking platform. It was created by former Google engineer Vishnu Mohandas to demonstrate AI capabilities. User-friendly interface. Upload your own images or select from stock photos for analysis. Detailed analysis. Receive a 3-paragraph breakdown of objects, people, and emotions in photos. The power of Google's AI. Object recognition. Identifies items, brands, and logos in images with high accuracy. Facial analysis. Detects faces. Estimates age, gender, and emotional states. Scene understanding. Recognizes locations, activities, and contextual information in photos. And text extraction. Reads and interprets any visible text in the image. Privacy implications. Personal information exposure. AI can detect sensitive data from seemingly innocent photos. Metadata analysis. Hidden information in image files may reveal location and device details. Unintended revelations. Background elements in photos might disclose more than intended. The scale of AI analysis. 3 billion plus photos and videos are shared online every day. As of 2020, there are 4 trillion plus images stored in Google Photos. Google Photos no longer gives us those numbers, so 2020 is the number we have to go by. But let's face it, it's a lot. And 100 million faces Google can recognize in a single day. Protecting your visual privacy. Use privacy settings. Adjust sharing options on social media and cloud storage platforms. Blur sensitive information. Edit photos to obscure personal data and details before sharing online. Secure storage. Use encrypted local storage for your most private photos. The future of AI and photography. Enhanced recognition. AI will identify more subtle details and complex scenes in photos. Emotional intelligence. Advanced algorithms will better understand and interpret human emotions in images. Predictive analysis. AI may infer personal habits and preferences from photo collections. And augmented reality integration. Real-time AI analysis will enhance AR experiences with photo data. Empowering users through awareness. Educate yourself. Understand AI capabilities and potential privacy risks. Experiment responsibly. Try theyseeyourphotos.com with non-sensitive images to learn more. Advocate for transparency. Support initiatives that promote clear AI policies in tech companies. Let's look at some examples. Simply go to your File Explorer and drag on a photo, and just in a matter of seconds, Google will describe what it sees in the picture. Let's take a closer look. Here is the photo that we're using. The photograph shows a lively indoor scene, possibly at a community center or clubhouse. In the foreground, a Santa Claus figure presents a gift to a man. The background includes walls decorated with framed awards, certificates, and sports memorabilia, including a banner displaying the logos of the Florida Gators and the Florida State Seminoles. There's also a table laden with food, suggesting a festive gathering. There's also a small stuffed animal sitting on a shelf along with some awards. The main focus is on two men, Santa Claus, appearing jovial and friendly, and a man receiving a gift who seems delighted and appreciative. The man receiving the gift is middle-aged, appears Caucasian, and has a pleasant demeanor. The Santa Claus appears to be of similar age, as also Caucasian. The image was captured by a Casio computer, the EXH10 camera, on Saturday, December 22nd, 2012. In the background, other attendees are visible and seemed relaxed and engaged in conversation. The man in the background wearing a cap is somewhat distant from the other attendees and looks at the camera in a contemplative fashion. There are subtle details that add to the atmosphere of the image. The lighting suggests an evening event, and the food table implies a potluck or celebratory meal. The slightly blurred background shows a sense of movement, indicating the event is in progress and lively. The image's composition, with the primary interaction between Santa and the recipient in the foreground, directs viewer attention to the heart of the holiday event. The careful arrangement of elements suggests that there were some forethought about staging the scene, likely a planned moment. Google certainly sees a lot more than we did when we first looked at the photo. Simply go to your File Explorer and drag on a photo, and just in a matter of seconds, Google will describe what it sees in the picture. Let's take a closer look. Here is the photo that we're using. The photograph shows a group of people gathered around a long table at a restaurant. The foreground is dominated by the table laden with pizza boxes, plates of pizza, drinks, and other assorted food items. The background features the restaurant's interior with visible wooden walls, a Coca-Cola dispenser, and a painting depicting a New York City street scene. The restaurant's name is not clearly visible, but there's a sign indicated it may be a pizza restaurant. There's a small gray tablet device on the table among the food and dishes. The group appears to be composed of Caucasian individuals, predominantly senior citizens. They seem relaxed and engaged in conversation while enjoying a meal together. Their ages range from 60 to 80 years old. They appear to be friends or family members out for a casual meal. Their economic status and lifestyle cannot be determined with certainty from the photograph. However, their clothing indicates a middle-class level of living. The image was captured by a Casio H10 camera on Sunday, February 16, 2014. One person wears a camouflage jacket and another has a pen or pencil in their shirt pocket. Several subtle details are observable upon closer inspection. The pizza boxes appear to be almost empty, indicating they are nearing the end of their meal. The level of engagement among the individuals suggests a strong bond amongst the group and indicative of a close relationship. The overall ambience of the photograph suggests a casual, relaxed social gathering with a sense of comfort and companionship. Google certainly sees a lot more than we did when we first looked at the photo. How much can Google learn from a single photo? I'm Huey Poplock.